Hey, good people, how you doing? Hey, if you like this video, just wait to the end to like it. I want to earn your like on this one, and your subscribe if you're new. I'm going to say something you guys are going to think I'm radical. My name is Larry Jones. This is Stock Up for those of you that don't know me. There's a lot of talk about transfer of wealth, the greatest transfer of wealth. A lot of articles. As a matter of fact, if you look here, you can see here. He did one, the greatest transfer of wealth, and then I saw this from Stephen Graham, January 5th. He talks about the greatest transfer of wealth, and so you're going to see a lot, and it's about you know the older 70 and overs. All right, that generation 70 and over are retiring, and they're turning their wealth over, right? And so the millennials are about to inherit trillions and trillions of dollars, right? And so this is really what they call the greatest transfer of wealth, but it's not what I call the greatest transfer of wealth. I'm going to share with you something really quick here. Just stick with me and see it to the end, all right? So listen, I just Googled it, and look what happened. Look what popped up, all right? This is a Bible verse that says, lift up your eyes, right? And look about you, right? All assemble and come to you. Your sons come from afar, and your daughters are carried on their arms. Then you will look and be radiant. Your heart will throb and swell with joy. The wealth on the seas will be brought to you. To you, the riches of the nations will come. All right? Just hold with me. I know some of y'all going, is he reading a Bible scripture? Good people, I just Googled it. It's the good book, right? But I want to tell you what's going on with the greatest transfer of wealth. Because in 2020, I said this. I want you guys to check this out. I said this August 19, 2020. All right, listen. Another correction coming that the stock market is going to dip. So, what you need to be doing is positioning yourself because we're about to witness the greatest transfer of wealth in our lifetimes, our parents' lifetimes, and our parents' parents' lifetime. I'm telling you, the greatest transfer of wealth is not about to happen, it's happening right now. So I said that in 2020. So what I want to say to you that don't have wealthy grandparents, that don't have parents or grandparents that have half a million, millions, and in that 1%, billions of dollars that they're going to transfer over. You guys saw it. It's ours. And what I'm saying is the greatest transfer of wealth. It's not just going from the grandparents or the over 7-year-olds to the millennials. That's not all where it's going. Good people. It's happening right now for us. The easiest thing we could do, it takes money to buy real estate. It takes money to buy a building. It takes money to go to college and get a great degree. But you can make $12 an hour and invest money. The greatest transfer of wealth is going to happen because we are going to get some of that money that's transferred. You and I. That's how the greatest transfer of wealth is going to happen. And yes, that transfer that they're talking about is going to happen. But you and I can get our money because we need to position ourselves. I'm telling you guys right now that the great transfers of wealth happens during bear markets. And if we go into a bear market, if we go into a crash or a correction, we just need to position ourselves to get that money. All we need to do is dollar cost average through the crash, correction, or bear market, come what may, and then hold. Because when the bull market comes, we will make so much money by being in the right place, doing the right things at the right time. Good people, that's all I wanted to say. And you said, you may ask, why did you say that last year? I'm just going to look you in the eye and tell you, that's what God shared with me. And that's why I'm so passionate and adamant about sharing it with you. The truck driver, the cook, the hotel waitress, the hotel waiter, the lady who makes beds that don't have you that's 60 and don't have money to retire on, the Uber driver, the common man. It's time for us to reposition ourselves and get some of this transfer of wealth. If you look at what they're talking about in the transfer of wealth, there's the end result of that is that a lot of these millennials are going to lose this money. And so what I want to tell you is this. When a stock is sold, a stock is bought. When you buy a stock, somebody sold a stock, right? Wealth, there is no new wealth. Wealth is like gold. Is no new wealth. And I've learned this from working with houses. Energy does not disappear. It shifts. When your heat comes on, it chases the cold air away. When your cold air comes on, it chases the heat away. It's transferred. And there's a transfer of wealth going on. That's also in the good book. All right. And that transfer of wealth is going from the rich to us. But we have to do our work to position ourselves to get that transfer of wealth. I just want you to go to sleep and think on that tonight. It's yours. It's mine. And you may say, that's not really fair? Yes, it is. They've been taking it from us for years. All right, good people. Think about those things. Sleep on that. I'll talk to you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.